So this is our product, Sales Pitcher, which basically generates sales pitch deck for the sales team. And from here, you will see three tabs. The second tab, customers, basically store customers' information. You will also have like the customer's industry, contact person, and so on and so on. And the assets manage, for example, the first tab of the assets manage your master slides templates. So it's your company's branded PowerPoint deck, and also the second tab, knowledge, is your domain knowledge. So from here you have like two options. The first option is to extract your knowledge or information from the web. So for example, if you put a lot of like use cases and customer success stories on the web, you can simply put like the website URL, and what it does is the AI will extract the website URL and know all of those information and use them into generating your pitch deck. And the second option is to paste like the plain text for the AI to know. So for example, you can also put like some very specific product specifications and also details about your products and save that knowledge. And what it does is that it will be stored in the RAG or RAG for the agent, and it will be used towards like generating the pitch as well. So on the main page, we have the leads. So on the main page, it has like the leads. The idea is that a promising sales always start with minutes with a meeting with the client. So here we have an option of starting a new minutes and upload an audio or like simply paste like the meeting transcript here. And what it does is that AI will parse through all of the relevant information and make them into a promising leads. So for example, after a conversation with the BOA Inc., which is a fintech company, it will generate a lead for that. And from here, it will summarize all. So from here, you will see you have like a meeting with the BOA Inc., and then the AI will just automatically generate a lead there. And once you click on that, you will see all those like detailed information, including, for example, you mentioned that the contact person is Priya in the meeting, so it will scrape that information and paste it over here. You will also know the decision maker, the pain points they're facing, their desired outcome, the current stack, and all those like relevant information. So the first step while creating a pitch deck is to choose a template. So from here, you can choose like the PPT template that we just like talked about. If the sales team want specific items, for example, in the sales pitch, in the sales deck. So for example, if the salesperson want to create like a timeline in the PowerPoint, they can simply put like a timeline placeholder in the template, and AI will know that information and sort of extract from historical interactions or historical information about the clients and your products to generate that timeline for you. So everything is like based on the template that you gave it to the agent, and then after you choose a desired template, you click on the next button, and here you will see that the AI will generate all the pitch content based on the desired template that you provided to the AI. And after you click on the next item, it's ready to download. So you just click on the download PowerPoint. It's like a little bit finicky here, but here is what it shows. So here is like the PowerPoint that generated by AI. So it first has like what is Twilio, which is your B2B SaaS company, and a general introduction of what the company is, what it does, its success stories, and also the solutions for your problem, which is BOA Inc., a fintech company. Here it shows like the problem statement that the clients mentioned in previous meetings, including the quotes, which is the current problems that the client is currently facing, such as like the text that feels like a house of cards and stuff like that. And it also proposes a solution with some promising product stack from the Twilio. So for example, it's just using Twilio segment for unified customer view, because the clients talk about disconnected test stack and also some user experience stuff. And also it will suggest like user authentication and real-time authorization for secure problem or stuff like that. So we do notice that the PowerPoint is still like in the early development stage, and that's like something that we will continue working on in the future. And here are like some of the other stuff like the AI generated
There's
for.
nothing much happening in Hanover, New Hampshire. How do you get the money?
And yeah, that's basically our product. Thank you for listening.